Hi! In front of me is VIVO IQOO U5X, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps. Firstly, just download your new defaults. I already did that, so I can go into settings right away. In settings, scroll down just a bit to access apps. Following that, scroll down again and click on default apps. Now just tap on one of those sections. For example, I want to change my browser, so I have to click on Browser app. Tap on Opera Mini in order to apply it. And click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!